Good day everyone, we are the Omis, and this is our fifth Arduino project, the RGB LED. In this project, we use a special LED that can produce different colors by mixing red, green, and blue light. Our team members are Lira Mark Christian, Tardio Mark Vincent, and me Mojica Denver John. For this project, we collaborated to set up the circuit, program the Arduino, and test various color combinations on the RGB LED. An RGB LED is basically three LEDs, red, green, and blue, combined into one package. By adjusting the brightness of each color, we can create almost any color. It's the same principle used in TVs, monitors, and LED displays. For this project, we used Arduino Uno board, breadboard, RGB LED, three 220 ohm resistors, jumper wires, and a USB cable for programming. This is our circuit diagram. The RGB LED has 4 pins, 1 common pin and 3 color pins. We connected each color pin to Arduino PWM pins through resistors. The common pin is connected to GND or 5V. Our code uses analog write to set the brightness of each color, mixing them to create different colors. We can display colors like red, green, blue, yellow, cyan, magenta, and white, as well as custom shades. Here's a video of us connecting the RGB LED, resistors, and jumper wires to the Arduino, then uploading the code. This video shows the RGB LED cycling through different colors, demonstrating how red, green, and blue light mix to create various colors. In conclusion, the RGB LED project showed us how colors can be created by combining different light intensities. And that's all.